62 divided by 2. Okay, 2 goes into 6 how many times? We need to need to know the multiplication table. 2 times 0 0, 2 times 1 2, 2 times 2 4, 2 times 3 6, right? Look, to find the multiplication table of 2 easily, just add 2 with the previous step. 2 times 0 0, so just add 2 with this 0, you'll get 2, that is 2 times 1 equal to 2. Just add 2, you will get 4. 2 times 2 equal to 4. Just add 2, you will get 6, so 2 times 3 equal to 6. 2 goes into 6 how many times? 3 times. Write 3. Now multiply 3 times 2 6. Subtract 0. Bring down this 2. 2 goes into 2 how many times? 1 times. Write 1. 1 times 2 2. Subtract 0. So 31 is your answer actually.